Hey, this is John from johnmichaelmarketing.com, and in this video I've got the most amazing surprise for you. I have arranged just for you, my subscribers only, a live training with Jared. Now Jared has created the fastest growing online Shopify store ever. His store generated $2 million in just 60 days and a total of $5 million within its first year of operation. So you can imagine we're gonna teach you a ton of stuff here together with Jared and Barry, who we're hosting together the training. All right, so let me jump quickly here on my computer just to show you some proof here that Jared has been featured even on Entrepreneur magazine here. 6 steps to building a $1 million e-commerce business site in just 60 days. This is Jared. He's been featured on Huffington Post and multiple other magazines and news and media outlets. Here he is on Huffington Post. Now, before we go into the 5 steps, let me just quickly show you some proof of Barry, which we're going to be holding this live training together. And Barry's going to show you his proof from his first week of results with following Jared's training.
Today, we're on 1936. Look at those numbers. I'm a complete newbie. I started off a week ago on 0. I'm now on 1936. Not only am I driving traffic, I'm getting ridiculous amounts of viral traffic as well. I've made $2,000 already today. Total sales, $5,000. These are my total sales ever because I only started a week ago. These numbers are absolutely insane.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Now we're going to go into the overview of those 5 crucial steps, and at any minute you can click on the link below to register and secure your spot for the live webinar. All right, now stick with me now because this is really important so you can understand what follows ahead. All right, so first of all, you want to find hot selling products. Okay, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You don't want to test a ton of products. You want to find ready products that sell like hotcakes and that made great money. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. Now, step number 2 is you want to set up your online store. Now, this might sound complicated, but believe me, you can do it very, very easily, very, very fast. And I'm going to show you all the resources where you can do that. Number 3, you want to use viral videos that sell. We've all seen all these viral videos that are getting thousands and thousands of shares and likes. Now, we're going to be utilizing these type of viral videos to reach a wide audience on Facebook and sell our products. Now, don't worry if you have no idea how to do all this. I'm going to show you a software that will allow you to find the hottest selling items. It's going to give you all the resources, from where you can buy them, how you can sell them, and it's also going to give you the videos ready, done for you. Number 4, we're going to set up engagement and retargeting campaigns on Facebook. Don't worry about all of that. Everything's going to be explained to you in the training. Now, the overview of that, so you can understand how that works, is we're going to release all these viral videos on Facebook, setting up what we call engagement campaigns on Facebook. That means these are campaigns that are meant to reach the widest, broadest audience on Facebook and get them to engage. Now, if those people engage with your video, that means they liked something about it. Now, remember, that video is going to be featuring a product you are selling. All right, so after we set up this engagement campaign to a wide audience, and people, they just start to like, comment, and share, and watch that video, then we're going to take this audience, it's called the lookalike audience, and we're going to retarget them with ads. Okay, so they already expressed an interest that they like this video, so they are highly likely to buy this product that you are selling. Now remember, hardest thing on Facebook to master is how to target your audience. And most people, they go by targeting their audience on Facebook by interest. But really, it's really hard to know who's going to like it, who's going to like your product, and who's going to actually buy it. So with this amazing strategy, what we're doing is we are setting up a campaign, letting people engage for very small cost. Remember, you can spend on Facebook ads as little as $5 a day. And we're letting Facebook tell us which people like, which people are watching our video. And then we just go and retarget this with another ad with a call to action to go and buy our products. And this can massively increase our success rate and sales. And then number 5, what we do is we scale up. So we got a product, we got a campaign that is working, and we just expand it to more audiences. We let more and more and more people start seeing this ad. And this is how we increase the sales. And this is how you saw Barry go from 0 up to $2,000 a day with his online store, just starting out as a newbie. Now, let me quickly show you Ecom Hacks and how you can automatically find all the hottest selling products that are going to make you a ton of profit with all the resources, the tools, the videos, and everything. So you can insert these products on your website within a couple of minutes automatically. All right, so Ecom Hacks is software here developed by Jared, and it does everything for you. All right, so let me just scroll down here. Let's find something interesting. This looks nice. LED shoelaces. It says, show me the margins. All right, note here that there are currently 749 products here, and Jared and his team are constantly testing new products. They're testing actually 10 new products every week. So if I scroll down here, click on show me the margins, you can see here a nice description. You can see here the profit margins of this product. So you can see that the selling price is $16.99. The cost price is just $2.24. So you got a huge profit margin on this one at $14.75 profit. Okay, this is profit. So if I scroll down here, you can see some more stats, and this is the coolest part. All right, you can see here there are links. Okay, I'm going to just open this in new tab. This is where you can find it on AliExpress for dirt cheap, on Alibaba. This is what it's sold on Amazon, on eBay, and this is some other store. And this is a Facebook ad, okay, of a competitor. Now, let's just open this up. This is really, really cool. So here you can see, there it is, this product. There is the pictures, $1.97 to $2.24. Again, you can find it here on Alibaba. These two websites are really, really cheap for 50 cents, 0.50 cents to $2 per piece. Okay, insanely low prices, huge profit margins. Here it is, you can find them on Amazon, sold for $17.81. Okay, look at this huge difference in prices. Here you can find them on LED shoelaces on eBay for just $1.60. And this is some Shopify store, as from the looks of it, that are selling it currently for €7. All right. Now, the coolest part is also that you also get a Facebook ad from one of the competitors selling this product, so you can get an idea of what's working. So as you can see, let's be honest, it's really cool. Buy now 50% off plus free shipping. Okay, you saw the original price there was €14 and it was slashed off to just €7. There's a link here so they can click and you get on the website and you purchase. This already has 2.1 thousand likes, hearts, and 127 shares. So rest assured that many people have already purchased this just from this ad. Okay, so this gives you an idea. Now, the software also gives you a video. All right, so here's a video ready for you to use in your ad. Okay, because the strategy that we're going to be using here is with video. All right, so here is a video, for example, that they have made for you. Let me just open it up. Let me just put the volume down. All right, so the video is playing. There is a little bit of music. I'm not sure if you can hear it. It's showing the shoes, and with the music, it's playing a rhythm. It's really nice. Really captivating video. Hopefully you can hear me right now. Let me just put the music a little bit down. But anyway, you get the idea here. Okay, You don't need to do any of this stuff. You don't need to do any of the editing, any of the work. Everything is given to you, okay, which makes it so easy for anybody to get started, especially if you do not have a lot of time on hand. All right, so now I'll let Jared show you exactly how you can import this product within a few clicks into your Shopify store with very, very little effort.
So we go over here, copy the URL, go over to our Shopify, click on search products, import product by URL, paste it in, hit import, and it takes about 30 seconds to get on there. So all you do now is just go in and change the name to like Funny Desk Lamp or whatever you want to name it. We actually give you the description, so all you gotta do is copy and paste the description.
Now, to create your Shopify store, all you need to do is you just register a free account here. You got a 14-day trial with Shopify. Again, all the links are right below this video. And the link to sign up to this live webinar so you don't miss out, it's again right below this video. Make sure to secure your spot before all spots are taken and before this gets off the market, okay? And you cannot get access to this live free training, okay? The webinar is free. All right, so you can create your Shopify store and then you can just go on Fiverr. I mean, it's pretty easy to create a Shopify store. I've created one myself and just took me a couple of hours doing it for the first time. It's kind of drag and drop, but you know, if you don't want to get into the, spend your time creating the store, you can find people here on Fiverr.com creating stores for you, starting from as little as $5. So for example, you can see somebody here, I will create or design a perfect Shopify website store starting at $5. Okay, and there are different price points depending on what they will do, but you know, you can get the job done here for pretty cheap. All right, so what you want to do right now is click on the link below, get signed up, and then you're going to come to this page where you're going to register right here. You're going to click on this button, register now. You're going to enter your details, select the date and session, and you are going to attend the live training. Now remember, this is a free training. It's available right now. So make sure that you secure your spot before we stop holding this training and before you miss out on this amazing opportunity. Remember, you're going to be taught by the #1 expert right now. There's never anybody that has managed to set up a Shopify store to $2 million in just 60 days so fast. The guy has been featured all over the place. So make sure not to miss out on this webinar. All right, so get signed up, click on the link below, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the live event. If you enjoyed this video, if you got any value, smash the like button for me and subscribe to my channel, selecting the bell icon so you will get notified every single time I launch a new video like this on different ways how you can work from home and earn an extra income online. Thank you very much. See you on the live webinar. Bye-bye.